Google has rolled out a major update for every user, and it's especially exciting for those who may not be able to purchase a subscription, but are eager to create videos with VEO 3.
Do you want to create videos with Google VEO 3 at free and unlimited? Start now and bring your imagination to life with the power of AI. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process and you'll be able to create unlimited videos for free. See this? With Google VEO 3, you can generate amazing videos in just a few clicks. Watch as your ideas come to life instantly.
Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome to my brand new video. Today, I'm going to show you a completely new method to use VEO 3 for free, no credit card or login required. And yes, it's 100% guaranteed to work. So, let's dive into the video and see exactly how it works and how you can access it for free. To get started, open any web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and search for Google Flow in the search bar. You will see several results with similar names. Simply click on the first one, which will redirect you to the official Google Flow website. In here you can see at the top of the Flow website, a message is displayed. New users can now try Flow free of charge with 100 monthly credits. At the bottom of the Flow website, you can explore several example videos created with Google VEO 3. These samples showcase the platform's capabilities, giving you a clear idea of the high-quality, AI-generated videos you can create using your own credits. Simply click on the Create with Flow button, and a new tab will open. There, sign in with your Google account. Now agree to the terms and conditions to get started. Click on your profile, and you will see that 100 free AI credits have been added to your account. These credits allow you to start creating videos immediately using Google VEO 3. To start creating your video, click on the New Project button. This will open an interface like the one shown below. By clicking on the settings icon, you can view your current configuration. Each video generation uses 20 credits based on these settings, and you also have the option to adjust the video output according to your preferences. You can change the video generation model by clicking on the model option. There are two models available, VEO 3 Fast and VEO 3 Quality. Using VEO 3 Quality it cut 100 AI credits per video, which is really high, but there isn't much difference between these two models. That's why I use the VEO 3 Fast model for most projects. By clicking here, you will see several options: text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. While most users typically choose the text to video option, today we will focus on using the frames to video option. The frames to video option allows you to generate images first, which can then be used to create your video. This gives you more control over the content, ensuring the final result matches your vision. It's simple and easy, just paste your prompt and press enter. The system will generate images based on your prompt using Google's advanced Nano Banana image model. By using this technique, I am able to create videos with consistent characters, making them more realistic. All these images look lifelike, almost like real photographs, so much so that no one would be able to tell they are AI generated. Simply click Use this image to use the generated images as a reference for your video. Next, paste your prompt along with your voiceover, press enter, and the system will start creating your video. You can see that the video generation has started. It usually takes only 1 minute or less. When you use reference images, the system generates results that closely match your prompt, making the process very easy and intuitive. Additionally, you can create videos in different languages, allowing for versatile and globally accessible content. The AI ensures smooth transitions, realistic movements, and consistent character appearances throughout the video. With these features, generating professional quality videos has never been simpler or faster, giving creators the ability to produce stunning, lifelike content in just minutes. Generating this video consumes 20 AI credits. Each credit is deducted automatically based on your current settings, making it easy to track usage. This system allows you to manage your credits efficiently while creating high-quality, AI-generated videos without any hassle. Our video generation has completed. Now, let's play the video and carefully observe the amazing results it has produced.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज मैं पाकिस्तान के लाहौर आई हूँ। मैं अपनी फूफी के घर जा रही हूँ और यहाँ मैं कुछ दिन रुकूंगी।
I really loved the video, it turned out exactly the way I wanted. The characters are consistent, the visuals look realistic, and the overall quality is outstanding. Click on Add to Scene, and it will open the scene builder, allowing you to generate videos with consistent characters. Drag the arrow to move the video while keeping the character in place. If you want to restart the video from a specific point, adjust it there, click the plus icon, and then click Save Frame as Aspect. This will upload the image for the next scene. In this way, you can keep the character aligned and create the video properly. Now, paste the prompt for the second scene into the prompt box to generate the video. Make sure your instructions are clear and detailed, so VEO3 can create visuals that match your vision accurately. You can continue adding scenes one by one to build a complete, professional quality video. Google Flow provides advanced tools to ensure character consistency throughout your videos. Once you create a character using reference images or generated frames, Flow can replicate the same appearance, expressions, and features across multiple scenes. This is especially useful for multi-scene storytelling, marketing videos, or tutorials, where maintaining a uniform look is essential. By using the scene builder and reference images, Flow allows the AI to understand the visual style of your characters, ensuring they remain consistent from start to finish. This not only makes your videos look professional and polished but also enhances viewer engagement by creating a seamless, realistic visual experience. With Flow, even beginners can produce videos with high-quality, lifelike characters without worrying about inconsistencies between scenes. Our video generation is now complete. Let's preview it. You'll see the video goes on from the last scene where it stopped. This smooth change lets you build scene by scene and make professional-looking videos easily.
अब मैं रिक्शा में हूँ और देखिए ये पाकिस्तान की रास्ते कितने जिंदा दिल हैं। हर जगह रंग, लोगों की खुशी।
Now repeat the process again. Fix the arrow, take a picture of the last scene, and upload it. Then use it as a reference picture to generate the next video. After creating 3 videos successfully, you will see an alert on the left side. It shows that we now have only 40 AI credits left. Since each video takes 20 credits, this means we can create only 2 more videos. That's why it's important to keep an eye on your credit balance so you can plan how many videos to make. The video generation is complete, and our video has been generated properly while keeping the character consistent. The next video has been created exactly matching the previous one. Everything in the video looks good, and I really like it. If you click on the download button, the video exporting will start, and a video link will generate, then you can download it. All the generated clips will be attached together, so the separate 8-second videos are now combined into one short video. Without doing any extra editing, you can directly use it or upload it to your channel. Simply click on the download button, and the video will be saved to your computer. After that, you can watch it anytime. Now I will use the text-to-video feature, that's why I will exit from Scene Builder. First, select the text-to-video feature. Then, paste your video prompt and press enter. The system will start generating your video within a few seconds. At the top, you can see that you only have 20 AI credits left. This means you can generate only one more video. As mentioned earlier, it takes less than a minute, so just wait and watch the countdown. During this time, the system is creating your video based on your prompt, so be patient. Once the countdown finishes, your video will be ready to preview and download. Now I will create my last video. Google provides 100 AI credits every month for free, with no subscription, no credit card, and no hidden costs, and it's totally free. If you want to make videos like this, then create videos using a different Gmail account. If you try with a few Gmail accounts, you can make unlimited videos without spending any money. This is Google's official method, so there's nothing to worry about. Google itself gives free credits to all users. If you are not satisfied with the free credits, you can choose a subscription, or try the 1-month free trial. This trial gives you full access to all features for 1 month at no cost. I will also make a video using this option to show you how it works and what you can create with it. Try a new Gmail account. Follow the method I show you, and generate unlimited videos. Every month, 100 credits are refilled, so whether you use your credits or not, they will expire. So use a new Gmail account to make sure those credits don't go to waste. Google itself providing these credits, so there's nothing to worry about. Make as many videos as you can.
Oh, wow.
Now it's your turn to try it yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now you can generate unlimited videos completely free, no login, no credit card required. It's user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Please don't misuse this method. I'm Arif, and I'm always here to bring you more helpful and practical content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.